Hi, I'm doing a project share. The original tutorial was done by, I'm just going to put this up here, LM'sCraftyCreations. It was the June Craftology, Photoplay Rhapsody, Waterfall Folio with tutorial. The actual tutorial starts at the 11-minute mark. I used Echo Park Beautiful Life Collection Kit. It measures 6 3/4 by 9 1/4, and the binding is 1 1/2, but when you include all of the measurements, it's actually 1 5/8. Alrighty, on the cover here, I used a cut apart, and I did magnetize it. I plan on putting 3 by 4s in here. This right here is, I just had it. Decorative trim by Hobby Lobby. 604439. The one thing I would do, and she actually did do, is either magnetize it or do something that will hold this down. I didn't. I figured it would be fine. You need something here. This, not so much because it's already laying flat, but here something needs to be holding this so when you flip it over, you don't have to hold it. I mean, not that holding it's that bad, but it would help. But this is a cut apart, becoming more beautiful every day. Another cut apart. And then this lifts up. Okay, and here's a bunch of little cut aparts that are made into booklets. And I'm going to put 3 by 4 photos on here. Some flip up as opposed to down, and the insides and the backs are blank. Oop. And this one can either go this way or this way. And there's 2 pockets here. Ooh, actually, if I take it out, there's 2 pockets here. And over on this side is a waterfall. It's the little things in life that matter most. I do not have these. Do not have any of the ones on this back side glued down because it can either go here or when the photo's actually in there, it can go on the left or the right, and it will fit a 4 by 6 photo. Give me a second and I will find one, I hope. I know I have one nearby. Here's one with it would fit there, and then this would fit here with a small gap on each side, all around everything, a small frame. Or it could go this way. Again, small frame, or vice versa, and so forth. But I didn't want to, most of my photos are a landscape style, but not all of them are. So most of them would be like this, but every now and then they are a portrait style. So I didn't want to take the chance of leaving anything out. And I did match up the top and the bottom. So that way down here and up here is the same thing. So when the photos are put in, they match regardless. So up there, down here, you have a few more little 3x4 photo booklets. And on the cut aparts, I did choose which side looked better, whether it be the intended cut apart or the back side. This would be a back side here. And these two would be back sides. But, you know, it's all in what you prefer. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages, along with a pocket on the back. Very easy tutorial to follow. Lori does awesome tutorials. She really does. They're very good instructions, easy to follow, easy to do, and accurate. Very important. The accuracy is very important because I've paid for tutorials that are incorrect, and hers are correct and free. You can't ask for more than that. So thank you, Lori at LMS Creations. Thanks for watching.